And the adventure begins. We're going out to put bands on chickens' feet, different colors for each year, so we can tell them apart when we mix them together for specific breeds. Isn't that right?
That's the idea.
We're going to go tag some chickens. Tag, you're it.
You might want to turn your headlamp off.
Chickens are sleeping. Oh, David goes in for the big one. Somebody get on.
It's not really part of it. It's just a...
Okay, let's go see what's happening.
Thought I would catch Festus first.
I don't
Is
think
he-
Festus needs to be banded.
Why wouldn't Festus need to be banded? You're doing it by age, so
Yeah, well, he's not their same age. He came from...
all right, whatever. Is he done or not?
It doesn't fit on him.
Okay, you don't want one on it. Okay.
Estes has been spared.
It doesn't fit on him. He's got some big old...
Who is next?
This little petite girl. Was that her right leg?
Yeah, that's all right.
Let's do them on the right legs.
Julie.
Yeah, it's a little bracelet, girl. There you go.
Sorry to disturb your slumber.
Let me go around this way so I can see you putting it on.
Okay. Well, look at her
She's-
nails.
Mhm.
This girl,
She's holding her feet out for you.
she needs a pedicure.
Please. Need my
This is Karen.
Karen?
Karen, what's with your...
Good night, Karen.
Look at her comb. Looks like a little pea.
She's a
Little bitty comb.
A little unicorn. A uni-chicken.
Hey, there's the next one.
And
I'm trying to get there.
scene.
You have the...
Fabio's up on the top.
You don't need Fabio.
I know, I'm just saying he's on the top.
Ah. Oh, there's a mouse.
Hello, mouse.
There's a moose. There's
Where's the mouse?
The chickens don't care.
a mouse. There's a mouse. There's a mouse. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, she's covered in DE.
There she is.
here we go.
There you go, girl.
Call you Cinderella.
Should have brought my mask.
Okay.
Good job.
They like their DE.
Ooh,
It's over.
here we go.
She got some big old feet, too.
She does, man. You got cankles, girl.
Ankles.
The snap. Okay.
Hope it never needs to come on. Okay.
All right.
She is a lavender Orpington.
See if we can go in for a big.
Oh, she got a little petite.
Okay, I gotta get out of this dust for a minute.
You You think you've been spared, but you're wrong.
The DE's rough on your lungs.
Hello, little girl. How's your little feet? You have a bumble on yours?
Boy, they really got into the DE today, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
They're really dusty with it.
We knew you were
They
coming
took a
out.
bath right
They
before
took their
bed.
bath before they went to bed.
It won't snap. Then snap.
There we
There we
go.
There you go.
Okay, we
Did
should
you
open
not
more.
wish to be identified
one
with
more.
this green thing?
Fabio, he doesn't care. Wow, look at her foot. Okay. Oh, she needs her foot on something. It's okay. It's okay. You all right? She's holding my wrist like she's gonna. Okay, you're okay. Stop.
Never fails. Your nose has to itch.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this. She's grabbing my arm with her other foot. Okay, now go
Good?
back. Yes, got it. She's like pushing my.
All right. That's
Good
that one.
night.
See what we got here. You want to get one and bring it out here? Who is this guy? Randy?
Yeah.
Let's make Randy pink. Just.
So we're using the zip ties on these guys. And we'll clip the ends of them off.
Yes, we have got your best side, chicken.
Guess that's good. I don't know. Could have got this on with. What
Good.
do you think, Dave?
Good.
Yes. Beautimous.
Maybe do them a little bit looser. No, that's pretty loose. It'll be all right.
Well, it's looser up
You can always cut them off if they dig in.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
She's got some kinkles too. Sorry.
It's a bracelet, honey. It's a bracelet.
Put some jewelry on the chickens.
They have some that have charms. I didn't figure we needed any charms. They're
A
charming.
little too fancy for the farm.
They're a little charming anyway.
Night, chicken.
This is the green egg layers.
A little tighter. Okay. Good.
Oh, such fussy.
Little Barty. See the barring on their feathers?
Mm-hmm.
She's pretty.
Chicken. Such a...
That.
Look at all the chickens.
Oh. Band off.
Here we go.
Here's the first victim. I mean chicken.
Oh, can't see you much, chicken. Oh, honey. It's just jewelry. You'll love it.
Oh, it looks so good with your lavender. She's a lavender Orpington.
Lavender Orpington.
Lavender Orpington. Lavender bracelet. But I can't get it in the hole. I don't remember which color I put on what. Well, hello, little girl. This is a French copper marin.
Oh,
Yeah, it'd be hard for her little ankles to.
aren't you beautiful? It's actually a little cool out here.
It's not too bad.
Here you are, Mr. Marin.
She's Miss Marin.
Miss Marin. Sorry.
All girls. Oh, this is cream leg bar. She will lay a very beautiful blue egg.
Blue eggs. Ooh.
Hello, Miss Cream Leg Bar, and look at her little crop
So
of
nice and
feathers.
cooperative.
Oh, they're way nicer over here, huh, Dave?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can't see it. It's got too much light.
You're there. Did.
Look at that.
This is a black Orpington.
Black
More like
Orpington.
no, it's not a black Orpington. It's a black Astrolorp. Dave, I don't have her leg.
Black what?
Astrolorp.
Like Australia.
Oh, okay.
Astrolorp.
Just purring like a kitty.
You can kind of see greenish in her feather coloring. It's okay.
Yes.
What did they
All
call
right.
it? Not chocolate, but a very dark brown egg. This is a black copper marin. They lay the chocolate brown eggs.
Ooh, chocolate brown.
Yeah.
Very good.
Just like from Cadbury.
I wished I had gotten some Americanas in this group, and I did not.
Ooh.
Speckled Sussex.
Yes, isn't she pretty?
Speckled Sussex.
Speckled.
Speckled Sussex.
Gosh.
What kind of egg does it lay?
Oh, little brown egg. I don't think it's very dark.
Oh, a very light brown egg.
So
Oh, delicious. Oh, here comes another one. Is this a leghorn?
it is a leghorn.
It is a leghorn.
Look, white with a
Oh,
purple breast.
it lays white eggs.
It does. Here's a fun fact. Chickens have ears.
Chickens have ears.
And the ear color is typically the color of the egg.
Oh, where would you find a chicken's ear?
Under its feathers.
Right there.
Right there. Wow.
Well, not right there. Those are feathers.
That little spot right there is its ear. Right in the middle of my finger.
Okay.
Wow. I did not know that.
I think it's another black Astrolorp.
Give me your foot. Yes, you can tell by her feet. Number 1, they have black feet. Number 2, there's no copper on her. And number 3, she has no feathers on her
Feet.
on her legs and her feet.
What color of egg does she produce?
She's a nice dark brown, but not chocolate brown.
Ooh, dark brown, but not chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Miss Chicken.
Yes. You want.
Okay, here comes
We'll
another
trade
one.
jobs in a minute. You can.
By then they'll be all mixed up.
Look at that beautiful chicken.
Yes, it's another speckled Sussex.
Speckled Sussex.
Sussex, like in England.
Sussex. Not like a suffix in a word.
I have a speckled Sussex.
What does that mean, Peter? coming the wrong way. I'm looking at me now. I don't know how to change that. Oh, dear God.
What's
Now you're
all the
looking at
cackling?
you.
Okay.
There you go.
I had it. I thought I had it turned around like a
Oh,
phone.
she's videoing herself.
Yes, and then Alice just
Thank goodness for
turned it
editing.
around.
She goes, oh no, turn it around. That one already has a band on it, thank you.
Oh, well.
That's too funny. No, Missy, no.
Shoot.
You need to go.
Nope, it's coming out. It's coming out. So is she.
Well, it's not time to come out, guys.
We have some escapees.
Yes, we do. Now it's going down.
I'm gonna move the pan.
That one's got a band on its leg. We wake them up and then open their leg.
Yes. Yes, I know. You were such a cute chicken.
Beautiful.
Beautiful chicken.
Does that one have a band on her leg?
Yes.
Let it in, babe.
Come on. No.
Girl, we don't want anybody eating you in the middle of the night, so go in.
She thinks it's daytime.
It is not. Oh, she's found bugs.
You just eat those bugs. You go ahead.
Come on.
Come on. Shoot.
Okay, this black astrolart. Black Orpington, oh my gosh. She's trying to use the scissors.
Here comes another chicken.
Surprise,
How many
surprise.
chickens are in there?
A lot.
Let's see.
Bug on me. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Don't think I've ever petted a chicken before.
Oh, wow. How can you go your whole life without petting a chicken? That one's got poop
Did
on
you
her
know
toe.
that no part of a chicken is called a nugget?
There's no part of
There
it.
is no nugget on this chicken.
Oh, that is good. She'll have to find out some chicken songs. Do you know a chicken song? Sure you do.
Oh my gosh. I can't think of one.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Well, somebody's a little bit upset about being woken up.
Very dusty in there.
Very dusty.
Okay, can you maybe...
I'm trying to get my sweat out of my eyes so I can see.
Okay, you're blocking her whole leg.
Oh, there we go. Hey, big girl.
There's her wrist.
On a brace.
On a bracelet. It's a friendship bracelet.
Yeah.
Because we're friends.
We all know what
2022 is a purple year.
Mm.
Let's see what
Do you know what chicken song, Mr. Chicken? Miss Chicken? Sorry.
Yeah, what is your voice? Very much look like breakfast. chicken song.